Check, check, 1, 2. Skywatchers!
Check, mic check. Skywatchers. Okay, this is my make up a song day. I don't have any words written down, so bear with me. And I don't have any musical material ready. I'm just going to go on an idea. That's Saddleback Mountain, if you can see it. I'm not sure the phone is too cool. But first things first, thank Father God for your Son, Jesus Christ, the Lamb. I ask that you bless all that see this, and bless all Skywatchers, double portion, and Skyfighters. Last night's clouds, I didn't need to guess at what they were. I saw people in the clouds fighting creatures. So men's hearts will fail, but not Skywatchers. Double strength and courage, okay? All right, let me get my bearings real quick. You can bear with me, please. What am I gonna do? I'm thinking a song from my hippie days. Are you ready? Well, I ain't superstitious, but I think COVID is alive. Well, I ain't superstitious, but I think the doctor's alive. I'm not gonna believe their tales. I think that TV is alive. I'm not sure the harmonica goes with it. So let's just do it. I'm just playing around. Thank you, Father God, for your Son, Jesus Christ. Yeah, cool. COVID's alive. It's worse than seal in the sky. COVID's alive. COVID's alive. It's stolen your life. COVID's alive. COVID. I rebuke you, COVID. Except there's nothing to rebuke. Yeah, I've been everywhere. No dead people. COVID's alive. They've stolen your life. They ruined your children's dreams. COVID's alive, and they've stolen your life. Made you wear a mask, and you're gonna take the mark. Yeah, that mask is all about getting you prepped for that mark. Conditioning. COVID's alive, and I'm not believing the lies. The Lord tells me COVID is alive. And I really don't want to do a COVID song because I'm not glorifying COVID. We are glorifying Christ, the only begotten Son of God, who died for everyone's sins, who is risen, and he's coming back in those clouds. So everybody look up, your Redeemer's drawing near. Well, I ain't superstitious, but I'm pretty sure COVID is a lie. Wow. Well, I ain't superstitious, but I think the doctors are on the devil's side. Wow. Well, I ain't superstitious. I ain't gonna believe their lies. All right, let's do another joyful noise, shall we? You guys know any joyful noises? Let's try this one. Jesus, Emmanuel, El Shaddai, Emmanuel, Elohim, Emmanuel, truth and right. Jesus, Yeshua, the Lamb, the Word, Jesus Christ. Oh, Papa, please send him soon. Holy. Hey, let's do that song I learned at the VA. I spent some time at the VA. God bless the VA. They had a sweat lodge there, and it was in Oregon. Big shout out to White City and Native Americans there. Yahweh, 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 Yahweh. His name is Yah. Hallelujah. Yeshua. Oh, yeah, I rebuke you, COVID. Yeah. I'm not falling for your lies, never did. I ain't wearing a mask. I ain't taking your mark. You might as well give me that guillotine now. Because I'll be singing Psalm 103. It goes like this. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Bless his holy name. And don't forget his benefits. Who redeems your life from the pit, who crowns you with loving kindness and tender mercy, who satisfies your mouth so your youth is renewed like the eagle, who heals all your diseases and forgives all your iniquity. The Lord will not always chide or keep his anger forever, for as a father loves his children, so the Lord loves those who love him. As far as the east is from the west, so much does the Lord love those that love him. As far as heaven is above the earth, so much does the Lord love them. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Bless his holy name. Bless that lady walking through the camera. I don't know who they are, but in Jesus Christ's name, bless those people. That was cool. Thank you. All right, here we go again. How about COVID is a lie? Oh, you like that one? I do. I don't like COVID. COVID is big. Mentirosa. COVID is Mentirosa. Okay. Remember, it's a fun day. Okay. Well, I ain't superstitious, but I know that COVID is a lie. Papa. In Jesus' name, nobody's stealing my joy. You can do whatever you want to me. You know, I don't fear death. I fear going to hell. But don't fear death. Don't fear those that kill you. Fear the one that kills you and puts you in hell, because our life is in the Lord's hands. No germ, nothing that has control of whether you go home or not. You're in the Lord's hands. You say Jesus Christ, and I don't care who you are. You could be the worst person in the world. You just cry out Jesus Christ. You'll have angels come and help you. All right? I'm not allowed to promise, but I know for sure. Okay. Well, I ain't superstitious. Definitely not. I don't like witches. I rebuke witches. COVID's a lie. All right, I wasn't really prepping. I just want to say thank you to all the people that gave me hugs on my channel. It used to be a big channel, and that took a lot of work, and it was taxing me. Then along came their COVID lie, and so I went back to a little channel. I love little channels. Ding ding! He's not little, but yeah, he catches another planet, and last night, you guys gotta look at the nighttime clouds. Usually I'm asleep by then, but oh man, there was something else. Well, I ain't superstitious, but I'm pretty sure COVID is a lie. Wow, wow. Well, I ain't superstitious, but I think the doctors lie. Wow. Well, I ain't superstitious. I'm gonna take control of my life. Wow. Keep your graphene DARPA shot. Keep it to your vaccine, stupid self. I didn't mean to call him stupid. We didn't call anybody stupid, did we? Well, maybe we did. Forgive me, Baba. But you guys are wrong. I am so indignant about it. I cry, I get angry. The people walking around wearing masks, you guys are wrong. I can't believe you're doing this to your children. Yeah, that MK and children. That's not right. Okay. I better shut this short. I'm sorry, you guys. This is for family. I love you guys. In Jesus Christ's name, I love each and one of you. Tracy, Applesauce Pang. There's so many names. Cheese, Went. That's not even half of the sisters. I'm gonna cry, Papa, but I'm still happy. It's weird, because we're going home soon. I see the signs in the sky. Skywatchers. Yeah, graduate from being a Skywatcher to a Skyfighter. I can't be the only one saying Jesus' name to the sky, okay? In Jesus Christ's name, that cloud over there. In Jesus Christ's name, that cloud over here. Your voice really works on everything. Say Jesus' name to everything. Say Jesus Christ of Nazareth, name to the sky. Oh, please, Papa, help. Send your soon, the Lamb, the Word. Take us home. Take us home. Jesus is King of Kings. Send him soon. Take us home. Oh, yeah. Rebuke you, COVID liars. I love you guys. I better cut short. I'm sorry.